Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In today's video, we will discuss how can you create a new WhatsApp chatbot on the BotPenguin platform. So once you sign up on the BotPenguin platform, you will land on this page. On the left hand side, you'll find different options. You simply have to click on the first option right here, that is create a new bot. After that, you have to select the solution that you are looking for. If you want to create a lead generation chatbot, customer support chatbot, appointment booking chatbot, marketing automation chatbot, e-commerce chatbot, or any other chatbot of your choice. For the demo purpose, I am choosing the lead generation chatbot here. And then you have to choose the platform for which you want to create the chatbot. So we will select the WhatsApp chatbot from here. In this step, you have to fill your required business details. You have to enter your business name, the category of your business, you have to enter the business description, the business email, the phone number, and your business website. On the right hand side of the screen, you can see the preview of your business details. So I have already added my business details for the demo purpose. So after entering all the required details, you just have to click on the Create WhatsApp Bot button right here. And your bot has been created successfully. Now you have to activate this chatbot. You can choose any of these options to activate your chatbot. You can simply scan this QR code with your phone and this will redirect you to WhatsApp with a pre-filled message. You just have to hit the send button and you will be done. Your bot will be activated. And if you want to use the other option, then you can save this number in your contacts and send a message that should start with this. So that is how you can create a WhatsApp chatbot and activate it. After activating your bot, the automated onboarding process will start. If you want to learn how you can do the automated onboarding of WhatsApp, I'll provide the video link in the description box below. You can check it out. If you have any doubts, you can refer to the help documentation of the BotPenguin. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.